Yo! No! Daughter! Hello! Oh.
Cakes got 0 res, and that full release is never dropping.
Hey. How you doing? They call me Mr. Posture. You want any posture advice? Today? I look down on you. I'm so much taller now. Not again, nasal spray advice was bad. Hey. Back in the day, these people didn't have nasal sprays, okay? You still going on about that, bro? Huh? Oh, Robin K. Gamedev, what's up? Good morning. Guys, I have a really important question. For the future, I need a strong word
Cakez.
that fits when you want to say that someone is retarded, but you don't want to use the word because you want to be PG friendly because you have a kid. And like, what you want to say is, this guy's an idiot. Maybe I should just say, God, this guy is an idiot. But it doesn't come off as stupid as dumbass. But then you're using ass. That's also a slur. He's just like Cakes. Would be a good. This guy reminds me of. Guys, can you stop making fun of clowns or saying that I'm a clown and like actually answer my question, please? Also, what happened to a camera? I'm like, hello, guys. I made some good changes off stream. I didn't post it yet because there's some other stuff. Did make good changes. Look. Already prepared some stuff. You guys can now see when you earn an item what tier it is and who it belongs to. Watch. And never mind. Second. You can now see who the weapon belongs to if it has an owner. So you are now getting all of the information needed, the tier of the weapon, the owner of the weapon, and what it is, or the item. New UI is a big improvement. Thank you, Reticide. Cakes, do you admit Jackie's game is better now? It's different. So there is no better. It's subjective opinion. What you talking about? I'm getting some coffee. Cause I'm forgotten, you know, making water and stuff. Yo! Is the weapon collection UI overflow fixed? No, because it's not a priority, bro. Who cares? We're working on gameplay. Or gameplay. Okay, that's what we're working on. And well, I'm gonna push an update after we have done this. Actually,
hello.
That's checked already. Put this here and then finding items. Let's put this on the list. Put it on the list of things we did. Items now show the tier. When dropping items, items can be bought. Okay, done. Attack radius is not showing a preview. Okay, so we need to fix a couple of things before we can work on infinite rounds. I was having a couple of discussions later yesterday, and what I found was that a leaderboard could increase the playtime by a lot. Why is your demo not in the next fest?
Good developer.
Cause I just don't think it's ready yet. I think I wanna use. So how many fests can you do? One? If you can only do one fest, then I'll wait until my game is like a stellar game. If that makes sense. You can do all. Only one? Yeah, so you're already conflicting with yourself, you guys. Oh, a Grinlex, first time chatter. Hello, good morning. How you doing, mate? Oh, my man. How did you got here? How did you end up in the stream, bro? Good morning. We'll wait forever? Next fest is once. Other fests are how much? What does that mean, other fests? What is a Steam next fest? Isn't the next fest always the next fest? So, like, the next fest? Tower Defense Fest? I don't understand how that works. What miserable decision did you make to... Okay, bro. That's a little bit too much, okay, Mr. I expect an apology here, sir. Like, actually. Like, from Lolboy? Damn, this guy. Bruh. Is he... Now YouTube. What are you talking about, White Elite? And you retracted your message. Hello, Robin K. Gamedev on YouTube. I think I said that already. And White Elite, hello there on YouTube too, bro. Sorry for being funny. Next fest is where Steam promotes upcoming changes.
Did you make to land in here? To the
yeah, so then I'm not ready for next fest yet. Other fests, I have no idea, man. Maybe I could min-max this, but I feel like we already have enough feedback to get me working for years. So I'll probably improve the game before I go and join these fests and spend time there. Maybe it's a mistake, I don't know. Next fest is a name, not the next fest, bro. Yes, so then why did they call it next fest, though? That's confusing. Okay, so let's work on this. This is faster as well. Change poison. Clean up the items. Clean up Tangy versus Hero in text. And then select the GPU based on which one is better. And then just go and take a look on how we can make infinite rounds happen in the game. I want to educate myself on that today and maybe start implementing a little bit of it if we can. First, we need to fix some of the issues though. Glaring issues based on your feedback. And this is including the feedback from Real Super Cool, from Codewright Games, from many of you guys playing when you earn an item through a chest.
No. Real Super Cool just subscribed.
Oh, my man. I posted a couple of suggestions for the Super. I saw that.
The money will come to you.
Good day.
Is he on YouTube?
When will you finally do what you always talk about and stream yourself making a good game?
I'm making a good game.
Clarify, because this current demo.
Hardly working.
If I speak, I am in
not
big trouble. In big trouble.
Hard at work for next fest. Hardly working, and not hard at work for next fest. What are you talking about, Neo? About yourself? So, guys, how do you think? What do you think about this? Compared to the old one where it was just an item. You can tell that it's 10 times better. Like, it is. I see. I know. Who is T1? That's Tyler 1. The old Tyler 1. The toxic one. 8.6 times better. Okay, good. Cakes, did your raid succeed last night? I think it did. Yeah. What do you mean? Like, it went through? Of course, yeah. I think it did. Prime said that Cakes is awesome. Which he's right, of course. 100%. Bro, can you fix the level up exploit? Because I'm getting bored of the game. I will fix the level up exploit probably tonight if I have time. Yes. It's on a list. Infinite rounds, how? Infinite rounds, why? I feel like leaderboards are the only something that small portions would be interested in. Do you have a plan for next levels? I have a plan on how to stagger the game mechanics in Acropolis, yes. I have a plan to add units into the game that drop items. Like, for example, this guy, instead of a bone, could toss a weapon. Instead of a bone, he has a weapon. And then he could draw... Oh, actually, this guy is already done. This guy drops the eye patch. Like, let's see. Unlock... A sec. Unlock all items. This guy drops this eye patch. That's how I wanna do this. And more levels, and a level as a reward, you get an item, or maybe even 2 items as a reward. We'll see. Yes, more levels will fix probably the issue of skeletons. Different maps with different strategic possibilities. But I also want to do infinite rounds, and I thought it would be awesome to educate myself on that. Okay, let's begin with the first thing on the list, which is the... what is that? Attack radius is not showing in the preview. So, for example, I did that yesterday. Started working on it, didn't fix it properly yet. When I get a minus to the attack radius, it shows up in red here. This is the attack radius in blue. It shows up in red here, and it shows up in green if it's bigger. And now that is fixed, but I also want the circle to change based on the item. Because that's also a visual indicator. Wow, raid was success? What do you mean raid was success? I don't understand. Hey, I want to start working on my first game in SDL3. Do you know any good resource to learn it? Cakes. Yeah. You have SDL3 installed, I'm assuming. You have a C++ ready to go, project ready to go, I'm assuming. If not, learn how to set up a C++ project using SDL3 and then open up a window, learn how to draw a quad in the middle and then make that quad move and then make your game. Like, you know what game you want to make. The type of game determines what you're gonna do, but you will most likely always have like a character in the middle, right? Or something. So make a character move. And then you just use your inspiration to make your game. And look at... Along the way, I can recommend you look at... what is it called? Look at very successful examples. Look at other examples of the same type of game to see how they are successful, why they are successful, to try to emulate that. Learn from them. There is no guide on how to make a game when you want to make your game. You're just making a game. But leaning on the shoulders of giants, aka looking at what they're doing correctly and then emulating that, is a very good starting point on how to make your first game. So, for example, I made Pong for my first game. I literally copied Pong. You can do something else. Yoink your way to success instead of building what fascinates you. Got you. Oh, you guys are so stupid. It's insane, man. Oh my god. You could say the same thing to the guy that made Stardew Valley to Concerned Ape. Oh, don't look at Harvest Moon. Make your own game, bro. Make your entirely own game. Why are you looking at Harvest Moon? You stupid, bro? That's not how good games are made. No, you gotta be making everything from scratch. And you need to make everything. If it's already existing in a game, you can't use it. Because that's stealing. And you shouldn't be stealing anything from other game developers. You should always make something unique. Cakes, do you think people would play this game if you didn't stream it? Since the answer does not is no, does that imply your game isn't good? People play the game even if they don't watch the stream, yes? Not that many, but some do, yes? Boy, it's so warm in here, man. Anyways, guys, let's work. Okay. So we need the attack radius indicator. And then here we get the attack radius from the range. And then if we have a preview weapon. The only thing... I would need to create a... well, we have a preview weapon. No. Ah, okay. Else if... Do we have a hero.preview? It's if, not off. Cakes, you steal everything, but you won't use Unity. Explain that. I hate Unity. I don't have fun in Unity. That's why. I don't hate it, but I just don't have fun. And super cool. I think I shouted you out earlier. Thank you very much for the big support, man. For subscribing, bro. Go giveaway? OpenGL makes me sad that Vulkan validation layers is nice. Yep, Vulkan validation layers is awesome. They help you a lot. I'm making a game in Raylab and it's really fun to work with. Better than OpenGL. Yeah, it is fun to work with. OpenGL is fun too, but the support of OpenGL on other platforms suck. Preview, armor. Item. As you guys can tell, I still do not have my normal voice back, which is awesome! Stats hero stats is hero.stats. And then item data. Item is get item data hero.preview armor preview item. And then we need to do float attack radius. Wait, attack radius is get stat value from the hero stats. Wait, hero.stats. Stats. Oh my god, dot values on stats. Oh my god. Sorry. Have been coding a bit before, so. Sorry. Attack radius. And then float. Attack radi. Stop it!
Am I so out of touch? No.
Holden_Margroin_PLS just subscribed. Hi, bad dev.
I'm not bad. Thank you very much for the support, though. Thanks for the money, bitch. Stat. Oh my god, what's going on today, bro? Okay, so attack radius preview. If attack radius preview is greater than the attack radius. And so what we need to do here is we take the hero stats and then we do, well, a for loop, I guess. Let me mark A this and then go to display underscore stats. Let's do this. Preview armor like this. Boom, preview item. We have the item here already. We add to the hero stats the item's stats. Then we get the attack radius again. Check if it's bigger. If it's bigger, then we do this. If it's not, if it's smaller, you know, like chance PP, then we make it red. There we go. And we always do attack radius is attack radius preview. I think I just did it with a little bit of, you know, flow state in the morning before the stream even really rolled on, you know, big dick float state interaction, really easy, you know, I could tap in and out of it. Oh, I'm such a good programmer. Oh my god, I'm so good! Yes! Get out of my way! Just gonna try again! Yeah, bro. God damn it! That was easy. Holy. I'm gonna open the window.
The door's open.
To get some fresh air. And I should probably open the door too here. God, I'm good. That's insane, bro. Have you guys ever seen someone code faster than this? I don't think so, man. That's gotta be a world record in fixing stuff. Does this work? Yeah, guys, it works. Look at this. I can now preview items that make my range increase and decrease in either red or green. Cakez, ignoring my last message does not count as opting out of our request.
Cakez will from now on have to buy 2 bus tickets, one for him and one for his ego.
Cakez, don't open the window with all the screams. Maybe it's fine though. I live in a city and I'm screaming towards the streets, not towards neighbors, so it's totally okay. Hey, Ulas on YouTube. Good morning. Based Bathrobe Gaming. Bathrobe programming. True, yes. I enjoy the bathrobe a lot, bro. Comparison operator in C++ explained. Huh? What is this? What are we looking at here, bro? If it's smaller, you know, like Chad's PP. You forgot to say, you forgot to include, then we make it red. So you made a clip here. The clip is kind of meh. Thanks for making it, but you gotta include the punchline at the end. Then we gotta make it red. Or you gotta cut it off immediately after Chad's PP. The silence at the end is making people wonder what's going on here, and then they're like, oh, okay, nothing. Left us hanging. Anyways, okay, cool. Now, we did this. That's awesome. And you guys tell me to do a commit every time I change something, right? So let's do a commit with this awesome software that always, you know, moves this thing down so much that I can't see. Okay, so git add dot git commit -m. I gotta check here, guys. What did I change? Some stuff here, assets, added in more green arrows. Added in, oh yeah, weapon types, yeah, default hero sprites, I added that in too. And then I renamed the arrow quiver. Okay, so, yeah. What the hell? What do you mean? Tangy TD version 0.5.450 now. Added in fixed range increase. Hey, don't close on me. What are you doing? I need air. Don't close. I need air, otherwise I can't program. Okay, need more brain power here. Range increase and decrease. Visible. And stuff. Whatever, doesn't matter. Git push. It's so far down, like I feel like I'm looking down into the oblivion or something. Cakez, ignoring my message does not... Yeah, then type the message again, bro. I can't find it right now. Just type it again, bro. I don't know what you mean. I'm not ignoring your message even. Why don't you use tags? Nah, I don't know. Don't feel like using them. No particular reason. I think I just like to... I'd like to just use the commit thing. So we did this now. Good. Guys, we're speedrunning this today because I want to actually make some really good progress and then start working on something new. Add armor pierce as a stat. I already have an icon. This is what it looks like right here. We need that as armor piercing. Cakez ignoring my message. Okay, do you like lambda calculus? Cakez trying again. Can we make a website with a rage timer and a trigger Cakez leaderboard saying yes at any time today confirms our request? No. Hello Cakez, hello the free code. Good morning, man. The free code, you said something yesterday. We had a discussion. What did you say about the game again? You had some feedback for the game.
I got a really unrelated coot about coding and mating skills from Unabomber. It does not matter how slowly you juggle, as long as you don't drop the balls.
True. I think you had something about the game that was interesting in terms of feedback, but I forgot what it was. Do I have armor pierce? Start. I don't think I do. Start armor pierce. Was it before attack speed? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, where did I put this? Excuse me. It is at 24,880. 24,800. Okay. There you go. I said some stuff like freezing tangies based on time. Freezing tangies based on time. Pixel arting in 2025, just use AI. You do realize that AI is not that great at pixel art. However, it can do some interesting pixel art. I was actually looking at it. But also the problem is that I could potentially get in trouble as well. But you're right. You know, I should probably be doing an AI stream. Yeah, AI is okay. I did test a little bit. It's not that bad, but it's not great either. Also, many things cost money, and I'm very stingy when it comes to that. You know, I don't like spending money on stuff unless I absolutely have to. That's just the way it is. So, yeah. AI, but just as a reference. Yeah, that could be a good idea. I agree with you, though. I don't want to get into legal issues and so far deep into the project. I'm thinking about it like this. How much is AI? Let's see. AI, right? Stable diffusion. Is this the pixel art AI that most people use? No, stable diffusion pixel art. I don't know what it's called. What are they called, guys? Open best stable diffusion prompts. What are they called, guys? Can you help me out? Help a brother out, guys. Come on, please. Pixel GPT. Pixelyoink.ai. I'm pretty sure that doesn't exist, bro. You're trying to... Stable diffusion is just the backend, yeah. Pixel Lab. I think it's Pixel Lab, yeah. It's been a while. Yeah. I actually looked at that already. Yep. So, Pixel Lab, for example. Animate with skeletons. That's actually really good, but then you need to make the skeletons, though you can draw the skeletons, which I guess is fine. Text-based animation, rotate characters and objects. This costs money. Pricing. It is $12 a month. And the problem here is that it might actually be questionable. And then let's see here. Animation tools, license. You can use the generated images commercially. This right here might change in the future. Doesn't look at free. It's a trial. You only get 40. What are you talking about? Why would I look at the left one when I cannot generate infinite images? You know how fast you generate 40 images? You generate that in like a minute. Because you're not happy with the image. You want to change the image. Just a minuscule part of it. What about trying it first? Fine, let's try it. Let's waste our 40 tries. Let's go. I want to receive information. I have read the terms. I've read the privacy accept. Account details.
I use AI as reference. I have, as example, an idea how a monster should look like, generate a higher resolution digital art version and then let my contractor add his own touch and make it as pixel art animation.
Pixel Lab, open in browser. There's an Sprite extension too. Okay. Let's say I want am I getting leaked here? Hopefully not. Close. This tool is not available in the free trial. How do I use this? This tool is not available in the free trial. I'm not going to put my sprites in there. I'm not going to put my sprites in. The moment I put my sprites in there, they steal it. You think I'm stupid? You think I'm dumb? Absolutely not. I'm not gonna put my sprites in there, help them make more money, and then use my image as a background image. They train on. Absolutely not. That's how you lose your stuff, bro. No. So what am I supposed to click here? Click on create. Elven warrior. Okay, so skeleton warrior with a bow. Side scroller. Okay. South facing the camera. Outline. Whatever that means. Single color black outline. That's fine, I guess. Okay. Medium detail. Now should I just generate or what? You shipped your sprites in the demo, so that's out there already. Could be, yes. But I don't have to make it worse. Generate? You can select the resolution on top. Okay. I can only select the square resolution? Oh, I can. Actually. Width and a height. Okay, so I would like to have a height of 64, but a width of 32.
Collector's alt account just joined. Glad to be back to my favorite Vulkan and Godot stream. Please keep
let's
your
say
functions
48.
shorter than 5 lines.
Hey, bro. 48. And now I click generate. The Cakez is here. Good morning, Mr. Codingry. Hello there, sir. Click. Getting worker. Okay, so while this thing's getting the worker, we're going to get the work done. You know what I mean. In before stream crash, yeah. Anyways, okay, so we have damage types: global damage, physical damage. Below physical damage, I would like to get armor pierce. Hero stats.values.stat armor pierce. And you guys think this is gonna look good? And I should be using this to generate example images and then do the final touch in a Sprite. And I can even animate them if I want to. Is that what you guys are saying? Like, for example, I have a skeleton. Maybe, maybe not. I have a skeleton that is animated. Using whatever. I don't know how these guys did it. And then the animation will be baked into the animation that comes out of the AI. And then I can fine-tune the images to have, let's say, walking skeletons. And then this skeleton maybe has a bow and can shoot arrows. But then I would also need to generate a skeleton that shoots arrows and stuff. But I don't even know if they could do that. Like, can you even do attack animation? I'm pretty sure it could just do walking animations. And I'm pretty sure YouTube chat just died. Sorry, guys. Yes, it did. Ah, okay. Yes, why not? There are free models you can download to do this stuff these days. Don't like the stars, lol. $12 a month. If it's good, then it's cheaper than your own hours put in it. Listen. We are just experimenting with AI globally. I'm pretty sure there will be stuff in the future that hampers this. Because right now, it's like this gray area. Because you're not using others' work directly, but it's like looking at other works that is licensed. And you're not allowed to do that. And it's literally stealing the work to generate new work based on work that is licensed. But that's what artists do already. So many artists out there, they look at reference images to generate their own. So it's a gray area. It's difficult to say. So yeah. And can the nose, like, at some point, please stop being annoying so I can just talk freely without having pressure in my nose? Because, guys, I gotta be honest, you know, off stream I get so much done. Because I don't have the nose problem. I'm not talking. I'm just silent. Silent. Every day. It's really annoying. Stat name, armor pierce. Armor pierce. Description. And then armor pierce. Here. Huh? Huh? String stat armor pierce. Huh? Huh? Armor! It's armor! Oh my god! This stupid... Why does UK need to be special? It's so annoying. UK needs to have an additional... Ooh! In this, every name, man. Yesterday, I was Googling this word right here. Behavior. Guess what? In the UK, this is called behavior.
And this is actually looking good.
It's called behavior.
/ mostly positive.
Oh, français. Why? I'm just gonna call it armor. Armor. Sounds more manly. Armor pierce. We're not doing armor here. You go to France for that. Not here, no. Sorry. It like this nose thing, you know, for the last couple of days and week has been bothering me so much that I can't breathe freely through my nose when I'm talking. That I lose my mind. It's so, especially in the beginning when I start talking, it gets better throughout the stream, but man, is that annoying, and it just doesn't.
Cakez, if you don't know, A small history lesson, English comes from UK, just if you don't know, so.
I know, and?
Gosh Kappa.
Don't care, man. The ooh makes no sense. Is this your new normal, Cakes? No, it's gonna be better next week, because I'm not gonna speak much over the weekend, but still, man. And it's getting better, but it's really annoying, bro. It was probably taken from French. Yeah, because French was taken from Latin. And so that makes sense, yes. So then it came like... it probably is. French is very close to Latin, so yeah. Just stop talking here. Let me just stop talking and just mute the stream. True, that's a good idea on the stream. 100%. Man, you guys have such great ideas today. Awesome. Unlock all items. Give me the armor pierce. It doesn't show up. Maybe I didn't build. Or? Oh, wait. There's... actually, the game is not running yet. Okay. Now it does. Ah, Cakes, you are unsophisticated, sir. Color, behavior, armor are beautiful words. No, they're not. No, they're not. They have an additional letter that you don't speak. In Britain, they say armor. That's my armor. Okay, they don't even speak half the letters in the word. What you talking about, bro? And you say that it's a beautiful word when there's a letter in there that's completely useless? What do you mean? No, actually no. I'm a paid chatter, please listen to my commands. Oh, look at that, guys. Armor pierce. 100. Would you look at this? Armor pierce. Armor directly reduces physical damage down to a minimum of 1. Armor can be reduced by armor pierce. Magic damage bypasses armor. Hey, can you please show how you do UI transitions like fade in and easing, etc.? Like, for example, this right here. Okay, think about it like this. I can show you in Paint, but I can also show you in code. I think it's easier in Paint first, because ouch. Then you can get an idea of how it works. Hey, I'm not dead! What happened? When the clip's done. I thought I died! So, every single element, UI element you see in the game is a quad. A quad is just a rectangle in the game that is stretched. Okay, I knew this was gonna happen. So the notifications are paused, you're wasting your points. If you keep wanna go guys, come on. And what I do is I draw all of these quads around a middle point, so that I call a center. And what I do if I want to animate this window right here, I have a size in X and I have a size in Y. And all I do is I take a timer T and multiply that to the Y and X coordinates. So usually the T is in the value range between 0 and 1. And then let's say we have 0 and 1 here on the graph. The easiest curve from 0 to 1 is linear. Based on this T value here. Okay? And so now you can change the curve however you want to generate this animation. So you're just animating this. You're not animating something here at all. And the way this looks in code is display underscore upgrades. You see the menu animation time here? That's the float value that I set to 0. It's a static float, so it keeps the value over time. This line of code. Oh my god, look how laggy this is. Look at this, guys. How slow this selects it. How can a code editor be slow in selecting font? It makes absolutely no sense to me. What is going on? That's not an LPC. This is an L Visual Studio Code, bro. The web browser as an editor is slow. Man, that's insane. Anyways, so looking at the... Oh my god, that triggers me. I should never select it like that. Ooh, it triggers. Oh my god, that triggers me. So we have the animation time here. It gets initialized to 0 once. And if I don't have a selected hero, I set it to 0. But when I have a selected 0, what I do with this animation time here is I just add the delta time to it, the frame time. And then I speed it up by 4. And I make sure that it never goes above 1.0. So that would be this upper range right here, this 1. Okay, it can never overshoot value 1. So then this animation time, when I'm building the menu, the background menu, let me find that. Let me see here. It's gotta be here. Let me find the where I draw the window. Ah, there we go. It's actually here. I draw the window around the center. That's the center point here. It has a size, and here's where I multiply the t value on top of the size. It's literally that simple. And how does this menu t value come to play? It takes the menu animation time and applies an easing function to it. Easing functions usually operate in the space from 0 to 1. This is 0 here in case you didn't know. And it applies a curve to this range. And so easing functions can be used for a lot of things. The same way that I use it for the menu, it could be used for something else. This easing function that I'm using here right now to make the menu pop like this is an ease out back. It's this line right here that I drew. This one right here. It overshoots a little bit and then comes back. That's how I animate the menu. Very simple. Pixel art ready? Yes, but on my armor pierce is ready too. Okay, so we already made another check mark here. See how fast we are today, guys? Great. We already have this, and then we change poison damage to this, so you guys no longer complain when you have a hero that has poison chance, but no poison damage, because physical damage does not convert into poison. Okay, let's look at the pixel art. I mean, it's not bad. I gotta be honest. It's not that bad, bruh. Like, it uses the same color for the code and this. Kinda annoying. But otherwise, not bad. The arm is a little odd here. This one too. But otherwise, like here, I would do this. But otherwise not bad. Like, the colors are bad. Yeah, it's a lot of jagged edges, yes. Like here too. But it's not terrible. And this is also, that's a bit weird too. I don't know why I just used one color. It's okay, but doesn't even fit the style. It could fit the style. I could make it fit the style. All I need to do is change the colors, but... it uses the same color for the coat and the bow and the quiver. It bothers me. You could put your own color palette. That's what's annoying. Like, set colors. There's like... Original image has 78 colors, but it literally only uses like 3 or 4. Because you see all of those destructed pixels here? Like these barely... There's barely a visible change between those. You can put it in your own color palette. I get it, guys. But the colors they use are basically all blue. And then orange and yellow a little bit. You know? Soulless AI trash. Oh, Real Super Cool has a really strong opinion on that. It's 78 shades of a very similar blue, lol. Yeah, it is. Like, I just don't understand, man. And so I have just lost one generation. And now in order to fix this generation, I could generate another one, but then I'm already down 2. So that's what I mean. You know, like... Now I have to spend more time fixing this image than actually drawing the image myself. Because it's that stupid. Now, I could have gotten unlucky, right? Let's say Let's say we use a palette, right? Import from low spec. Let's say we use my Vampire Survivors, actually, let's say downloads, right? We gotta give it another chance, okay? The low spec palette here. How do I get the link to this? How do I get the link to this? Enter the low spec palette URL. Like, what do you do? Like, huh? Like, how do you get the link to this? Click on this. Downloads? Open an app? Copy link? Maybe this? I can't even paste it. Huh? Low spec 500? This man? Guys, mental midget, no, it's not obvious what you need to do, what you're talking about. This link. Oh, I see. I did this window, it sucks. But okay. I told them to use this palette now. We're gonna apply. Quantizing colors. It's over. This is trash. It's literally one color, man. It's not even a good result, bro. Oh, fucking hell, bro. Okay, we just lost another generation, by the way. Down 3. But, okay. Can we generate this again? Can I somehow generate the... Oh my god, you really? Oh my, is that annoying? Okay, where's my color palette here, guys? Where's my color palette? Huh? Bad prompting? No, guys, it's not bad prompting. Basic shading, flat shading. Let's do flat shading. Medium detail. Yes. Color palette. Yeah, but where's my color palette? Also, why do I get, like, you see these things floating up here? What are these floaters? AI for pixel art? Yeah, like, people told me to test it out. Color palette. Yeah, but which one? Of the chosen palette. Where's my palette? This AI, this UI is terrible, man. Holy. These guys don't know how to build AI. Anyways, generate. We're just gonna waste more. You see, we already have 4. So bad. It's insane. That's how they make money, guys. Anyways, okay, so another check mark here. Clean up all items. Oh, actually, poison. Okay, you guys want... Get poison damage. Get poison DPS. There it is. So... 30% of poison damage and 30% of physical damage. Const float poison damage. Get poison damage. Get physical damage. Get poison DPS. I think the easiest way to get poison DPS is keep it the way this is. And then have another function that's called get poison DPS 2. And this is where I just put in a float combined damage. Now, what is combined damage? I wonder if this works. No, still doesn't work. Okay. Would be cool to have a good editor, but whatever, right? Oh, great. We have another long-lived Twitch Scamal ban. Why aren't you using Sprite? Oh, I could use Sprite too, but then I have to download it. My version of Sprite might be different, so I have to update my Sprite version. Maybe. Like, bruh. Combined damage. Poison DPS is combined damage. Oh. And then we add the dot multiplier to it. So how does combined damage come to be? In attack, in the attack function, I have physical damage that gets reduced by armor. And I have... That's the question. That's the question there. Let's read up on someone that knows poison damage much better than me. Oof. It's the same image. It's crazy. It generated me the exact same image, just a tiny bit differently. And it's way too much detail. Does it have more pixels? No. And did it even use my color palette? I think it did. Interesting what it came out with, though. That's coolly Mao. Oh my god, my nose. It just won't stop, man. Come on. Just wanna talk, please. Just wanna talk. Please stop, man. Let's drink some coffee. Oh yeah. 8 p.m. my man. Good morning. Hope you doing good, bruh? You doing good, friend? File saved. I see. So it keeps saving the file. That's what it is. What was I doing? Ah yeah. Poison. Path of Exile. They know what they're talking about. It's the worst wiki. The other wiki is much better. Shall we read up on poison? A hit of damage that has a chance to poison is capable of inflicting poison. Only physical and chaos damage are able to inflict poison. Aha. The damage per second dealt by a given application of poison equals 30%. Oh my... Okay. Oh, thank God. Oh, okay. Thank God. That was annoying as hell. Excuse me. You guys can read this? Yeah. The damage per second dealt by a single poison is based on 30% of the combined flat physical and chaos damage of the hit. Reference 4. The damage player ignites has been increased. Official Path of Exile. Forums. Grinding Gear Games. This is Mark. Oh, this guy, by the way, Mark from GGG. This guy is the best gameplay programmer on the planet Earth walking when it comes to stats and stuff like this, bro. Okay? There's not a single person better than this guy. Okay? Just saying. So poison is now 16% per second of the base damage per second? Unless they reverted it to pre-nerf, which in this case it's 20%. It is indeed. Bleeding deals 70% of the applicable, usually physical base, and added damage of the skill per second. While moving, that is 200%. Ignite deals 40% of the applicable base and added damage. What does that mean? Poison damage deals 20% of the applicable physical plus chaos base and added damage of the skill. Here's my question, guys, okay? Because I'm stupid and I don't understand this, okay? It's simple, bro. Let's say we have poison. Poison damage. To, let's say, make it easy. 30%, 100. Okay? 100. And now I have physical damage. Okay? 100. Now, if I'm not mistaken, okay, that is 30 plus 30, that is 60 combined. Okay, 30%. 30%. Here's the question though. What happens when I attack an enemy that has resistances? So for example, I'm attacking an enemy that has 100 armor. And it completely negates my physical damage down to 0. Is the poison damage still 60? Or is it 30? Huh? They don't have poison damage stat, Cakez. Only physical chaos and... Yeah, it doesn't matter though. Because the physical damage converts itself to poison damage. Or to chaos damage. What I'm talking about here is... I'm hitting an enemy that has 100 armor, the impact deals damage, and then it applies 100% poison chance. Why are you thinking about poison damage 6 years after starting? This is not the first time you're trying to rage bait. I'll time you out for 10 minutes. Because I need to think right now. Okay? This is literally the like 50th time that we're talking about poison damage. Okay? You don't know what you're talking about. It's like every other week I talk about poison damage. He's legit right. What are you talking about? He's not... I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this. Understood. Thanks for the explanation. Sure, bro. PoE is known for one of the most absurd skill trees in the gaming industry. Took years to fabricate by multiple people. Are you sure you want to copy from it? Copying from Path of Exile's damage calculation is a good idea, because I'm already using Path of Exile's stats system. And we currently have the problem that people on Discord complain, because they get this. Sure, I am sure glad to have 44% chance to poison to deal 0 poison damage over 9 seconds, Cakez. The reason why that is 0 is because he has, you can't see in the screenshot, but he only has physical damage as a base. He has a poison chance, but physical damage does not convert into poison damage, which makes the poison chance useless in the skill tree. So when you invest a skill point into the skill tree to invest it to poison chance, you're effectively wasting your poison, you're effectively wasting your skill point because it doesn't do anything. So now I'm, as a game developer, need to go and improve that system, which is why I'm sitting here talking about poison and how to add it into the game and how to calculate the damage. Do you understand me now? It's like listening to feedback and doing my job. Okay, can we now please focus on the question at hand instead of these dummy questions that you losers in chat I keep asking? Okay, thank you very much. Now let's move on. You should calculate the damage by reducing the attribute of the orange of the time of the damage it's dealing. You reduce the attribute to 70 if it has 30 resist, and then you calculate the damage each time. So what I'm figuring out here is I can do 60 poison dot damage, but then reduce that by... You see, the question is it taking the base damage to calculate the 60, or is it taking the impact damage? Because let's say 100 minus 100, that's 0. Okay, what if the enemy, instead of 100, they have 50 armor? Like, do I first reduce the damage and then put that in the calculation, or do I always take the base damage, put it in the calculation, but then poison damage gets reduced by poison resist, right? I can't spell. Poison resist. Poison res. Let's say 20. Let's make it easier. 50%. So what you... I'm so sorry. So what you guys are saying is I take the base values, I merge them together, I generate the 60, and then whenever I deal poison damage on the enemy, I take the resistance into account. You are not sorry. Fuck the word. And Dave, thank you guys for following. Relaxed stream as always. Yeah, ads, ads. Yeah. I gotta run ads. You know, I need to earn money, and Twitch also forces me to. I think taking the base would feel better. We can take the base, and then when the poison inflicts damage, it takes the resistance into account. That makes poison damage or poison chance a very good counter against armored enemies, because the physical damage converts to poison damage at 30%. I still think it's odd. Just make the physical damage convert to poison when you have poison chance. Yeah, but do I take the impact damage? So in this case, the impact damage. I feel like I should be taking the impact damage, otherwise armor is too weak against poison chance. How does that work in Path of Exile? Wait, I can test this, actually, I think. Can I? Can I do Path of Building Community here? This is the issue I'm gonna have to deal with in my game too. You probably shouldn't be doing that in your game, bro. It will multiply your game development time by way too many X's, bro. I think it's easier. Listen, guys. For those of you who want to make a tower defense game, and you still want to have options and counters, I think it's easiest if you have the basic defenses. Either like Bloons, where you deal 0 damage and you need to have a counter to it, or you do minimal damage, like 1 damage, to, let's say, an armored unit, and you need to have armor damage. If you split your damage types into too many damage types, then you're gonna end up where I am, and it's not a good place, I'm telling you guys. Sometimes I'm not enjoying myself with all of these questions, because, well, I guess I have to test this, right? Poison could be a good fight against armor this way. I can't even create an enemy with a lot of armor, can I? Cakez enemy armor? Yeah, armor. You should always have a minimum damage, because it's gonna look weird if a character has poison effect but receives no damage. An enemy with 100% poison resist will never get poisoned. That's how... I think I did program it this way. If not, then I'll program it this way. That's already set in stone. They can't get poisoned. Physical damage, physical resistance. Armor. Poison damage, poison resistance. Yes, that is correct, sir. However, poison damage, the poison dot damage over time, is taken from 30% of poison damage and 30% of physical damage. Do I take the physical damage after armor calculation is done or before armor calculation is done? If I take the physical damage before the armor calculation is done, then it deals more damage. If I take it after the armor calculation is done, then it deals way less damage, because we could have an armored enemy. Otherwise, you apply them twice. Currently, dots ignore resistances in my game. Because I take the resistance on impact, generate the value that is reduced, then take the dot value of that reduced value and make the dot tick happen then. Well, then after, I can't do it after for poison because armor is a different resistance than poison resistance. So when I reduce the... Let's say I have 100 physical damage and I have 100% poison chance. I deal 50 poison... I have 100% poison chance. I hit an enemy with 100 armor. I deal 0 damage, aka 0 poison damage to him. If I take it before the hit, I convert the 100 physical damage. I'll show you the difference, okay? Here it is. Physical. I'm gonna, like, physical damage, like fizz. I have 100. Okay. Over here is the enemy. He has 100 armor. Now, if I do the damage calculation, then I do 100 minus 100. Where do I put this? For poison. First case scenario. 100 minus 100. 0. That results in 0 poison. I take it before. 100, I take it before. So then that is 30% of 100. So we have 100 times 0.3. That's 30 poison. Which means we deal 30. That's the difference. If I take it before, I deal poison damage. Poison damage ignores armor. I have poison resistance. And in this case scenario, I have 0. I do this terribly, man, because I'm not thinking. This, we should move here. And then here, I should say 0. God, that's so bad. 0 poison resist. 30 damage, 0 damage. The dot damage... Listen. If it does 0, the damage should be read blocked. Yeah, listen, guys, that's fine. I can make it blocked. But we are talking about the damage here. We're not talking about the animation. I can say that it got blocked and all of that. Maybe I need more resistance. Thought no one ever. Just place another unit. What are you guys talking about? God. Why do you see it as a conversion? Physical and poison damage are different. Zenta explained this earlier because it was confusing. That's why I'm going for a game quite simple in this meta, but still, yes. These questions are the problem. If the poison damage is based on the physical, then sure, you need to calculate it before. Honestly, get rid of poison bleeding, etc. I'm not going to get rid of this now because it's in the game, bro. We have this problem, we can fix it, but it's 2 different outcomes. These are the 2 solutions. This is 2. This is 1. On number 2, we deal 30. On number 1, we deal 0. I think I should take the base before the hit, and then make poison damage be affected by resistance, by poison resistance. Every time I deal poison damage to the target, it is a resistance check against the target's poison resistance. And in any other case, I just take the resistance before. So, I think we're gonna do it like this. It is an interesting topic. 100%. But okay. And then for get poison DPS, we just take the combined damage. Where's this get poison DPS? Hello IQ, good morning. So it takes the combined damage, multiplies this by 0.3. And we have the poison damage. We apply the dot multiplier to it and return it. Over here it says apply poison, and in this case we take... Oh, that's annoying as hell. Okay, fine. Okay, we have poison damage, and then get poison DPS 2. That is physical damage plus poison damage. There you go. And then I want to remove the get poison DPS #1 function for now. Cakes, you should use PoE to see exactly how PoE is calculating the poison damage. In my game, I tried to use Path of Exile stats and calculations. It was tough. This time around, I'm using Pokemon's damage calculation. It's going much more smoothly. Take a look at Pokemon's. I can't change this Listen, I'm too deep into Path of Exile system to take a look at Pokemon's right now. I would have to fundamentally change my entire damage system just because of poison. I appreciate the idea, bro, but I'm in too deep. That would take way too much, way too long. Hey, what are you talking about, man? It takes the combined damage. Okay, we're gonna do it like this then. Guys, I feel like it's lagging. So there we go. 30% of poison and 30% of physical damage. We call this get poison DPS. This then we don't need to calculate that. Guys, it's so laggy, man. I'm getting so angry. Oh, I'm getting angry. Oh, man. That triggered the fuck out of me. Okay. It's fine. Maybe it's because of this. What is this? Is this Firefox 11? Maybe I closed Firefox. Maybe it's been on for too long. Maybe Sprite 2. Don't save. Close. Close. We almost have this done. Okay. Hey, Huckley on YouTube. Good morning, bro. On Twitch, good morning, bro. And on YouTube, what did you say? How high do your stats numbers scale? Hundreds, thousands, millions, and damage? I don't know how high they scale yet. I'm still building the game. Currently, I'm sitting around, like the highest I've seen is like 200 damage. I'm pretty sure there's higher damage. But yes, so get poison DPS 2, that just takes the stats here. Go. There we go, and then we go here, and then we rename this to get poison DPS. I know it's a back and forth, but it's important to do this. No, not two. There we go. Okay, so now that we have this, let's keep going. And then we can look at how to do infinite rounds. Cakez has not even thought about the end game of his game yet. I have, bro, but you need to build up on this. You stupid? Bro, you're not making the game on the end game. Actually, you can. You can, actually. You should be. But in a tower defense game, I think it's a little different. In a tower defense game, I think you need to build up to this. In an RPG game, I don't even think you can do this in an RPG game either. I think you build up to this in every game. You think wrong? No, I think not. Okay, let's get poison chance. So guys, what I did off stream as well, you see how these arrows now have a trailing, whatever that vertical line is? A horizontal line, sorry. It is the same arrow as here to make a connection between these two arrows in the skill tree. You guys like that? Okay, let's see. So you guys were complaining about poison chance. Aha! Wait, that's 30% of physical damage, really? That's bad. Wait, that's not 30%, bro. What? Huh? How's it only 4? What does the green arrow above the portrait mean? Good question, Sinu Kiste. Please look at the screen a little bit more carefully and try to tell me what the green arrow means, or what it should tell me, what it should tell you. What do you think is the green arrow doing? Upgrade available? Yeah. Pretty sure, yeah. And where? This is not the Asmongold thing, you're wrong. You guys have no idea what I'm doing right now. In the skill tree, because there's also a green arrow. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I was checking whether he would make the connection between the arrow and the skill tree. Yes, and it says that we have skill points to spend here. We have 23 skill points that we can spend in any order, whatever capacity, however we want to. Can you animate the other arrows as well, Cakez? Which other arrows here? The one in the menu here? No. I'm not going to animate this arrow here in the menu because it's literally already good enough. It's already popping. Listen, the reason why this is fine is because this is contrasted by black almost. Very, very deep blue is contrasting the green, which makes it pop out. You are drawn to this because the green and blue contrast. No? Yes. Why does it say weak? Where does it say weak? Oh, this is the target priority. If it was fine, how come no one is playing the game right now? Because I need to add replayability and I need to add better progression to the game. That's why no one is playing the game. That's what I'm working on right now. I'm fixing issues and I'm trying to make the game better. Okay? If you weren't so caught up in trying to find something funny to say, you would probably realize that. I know I got this. Yeah, yeah. I'm working. Yeah, I know, guys. Yeah, I know. Okay, now, for some reason, this is too low. 6 poison damage. That's not enough. For some reason, I only have 4 poison damage on 55 base physical damage, so... Maybe it couldn't link, though. Oh, wait. Nah, I have hot code reloading. What is the combined damage here? 16. Oh, I'm stupid. I see. I multiply the 30%. I add the 30% twice. Okay. There we go. And then whenever we... wait. Whenever we attack, we also need to make sure that on poison, physical damage is fine. Fire, cold, lighting, poison damage. Poison chance. Ah, mitigated damage. Okay, poison resistance is applied on a poison dot. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna quickly test the ranger with 100% poison damage. Poison chance, sorry. And I need to remember to remove this. 100. Stat, poison chance. Let's test. Cakes, this is going nowhere. You want to do another hentai TD already for the Gothic 3D or the Gothic 3D clone? Release it now for the 1K and start the next game, or focus on your stream content, or do not start a new do not start a new start to finish big game project. Listen, man, you can tell me what you want, bro. I'm gonna keep working on this game because I know I have something here. Okay, bro? Just wait. You stupid? You think I'm gonna stop just because you tell me to stop? What an idiot, bro! Huh? I have 100% poison chance. How come they don't take poison damage? Huh? Shouldn't it apply poison? Oh. I see. We should always... Poison chance needs to be outside. If hit type impact and poison damage plus physical damage. Ah, shit. Maybe I'll always do this. Poison chance, apply poison. Okay, then if poison DPS is greater than 0, then we apply the buff. Otherwise we don't. Let's do it like this. Good. I already have particles. There we go. How much damage am I dealing? 16. Mitigated by poison resistance. There it is, guys. Now we have poison damage in the game properly. Over 6 seconds, 16 damage. It's a lot, by the way. Poison is a slow killer. OP, delete from the game. Well, you have to build up to 100% poison damage first, you know. Poison chance first. It is a long... That's a long journey, bro. Yeah, Mr. Almeida is working on a game too. And he's trying to get a publisher first before showing his game. But when he's done, we're gonna play his game. Okay, Ranger. Let's get rid of the 100% poison chance. Now, guys, hopefully you guys are happy now with the stats. And we can check mark this too. Let's do it like this. So, clean up all items, make them unique to one hero. So what we need to do now is sometimes the same item is on a hero, or sometimes you can find items that are not even present on weapon upgrades. For weapons, not so much, but there are some. So, for example, let's say these are all the weapons that tangerines can use. Any other weapon should currently not drop because you guys get confused because you just dropped a weapon that you can't use. There's supposed to be a weapon swap mechanic in the game later on where you find a weapon and then you go to the blacksmith with that weapon and you exchange one of these existing weapons with that new weapon in place to create a more unique build. What's the point of this array? Just use a C array? This is a C array. What are you talking about? This is a C array. And this right here is an array because sometimes I don't have items unlocked in the later parts. What are you talking about? So yeah, anyways, over here we have tier 1 items. And I need to uncomment out all of the items that you can't use. So for example, the iron sword currently cannot be used. That needs to be commented out. Iron ring, that's leather helm, eye patch, goggles, grape, rusty sword is here. Wooden sword is here. Withered scimitar is here. Short bow is here. Long bow is here. Crossbow is here. Ice staff, wooden staff, ruby staff, ice ruby, wooden staff, yes. Wooden wand, yes. Book of wisdom. Wizard hat, wand of sparking. Let's do wand of sparking, wooden wand to sort these properly. And then book of wisdom and... Oh, there's no comma here. Let's see. And then the last one is not supposed to have this, I think. Or this. Right? Yeah. Not sure why this is not okay. I guess because it creates 2 commas. It's fine. Yeah. And then for the items... At least for the tier 1 items, right? We're gonna go over the tier 2 items in a second. Precision goggles is supposed to be on the... I probably don't want the precision goggles on the defender. But I think it's fine. We're gonna say that the defender has precision goggles and the ranger too. But the mage shouldn't have precision goggles, it should have the wizard hat. Okay, so wizard hat, book of wisdom, iron ring. Iron ring, leather helm, we have that too. Eye patch. Eye patch. Precision goggles. Precision goggles. I'm probably going to remove it from the defender. So we only have leather helm and eye patch for this guy for now. Actually, I'll keep it here. It's fine. Evergreen cape is here. Rusty sword, that's weapons then. And then we should put Book of Wisdom and Wizard Hat here. Oh my god. Goodness. Sorry. Hello Nehan Codes and hello Peter. Good morning, bro. Hope you're doing good, man. Oh, Gesundheit. Oh, danke schön. Danke. Yeah, it's crazy how long this cold is dragging itself, man. Especially here. Physically, I feel fine, but the nose is like. Ein Gesundi. Oh, danke. Dankeschön. Mir geht's gut, danke, Brudi. Oh, man. Thank you, brother. All right, let's see. Precision goggles we have. Book of Wisdom. Ist hier. Wizard Hat. Ist hier. Evergreen Cape. I have it here. Okay, so now all of these items, if you drop them, you can use them. Good. Tier 2. Green apple. I'm not using this anywhere. Not using it anywhere, so we'll get rid of that for now. Poison bottle, we use this. Shelmet, we use this. Ham. We don't use this. Teacup, we don't use that. Shelmet, we use. Ruby necklace, we use. I think. Ruby necklace. Emerald ring, we use here. Wooden shield, we use here. Serrated arrow quiver. This is changed to item quiver. Holy, I gotta unpause notifications then. Space Fit. It's always a good day when Cakez is streaming. I get sad on the weekends. I can tell your family to stop hogging you on the weekends. Can you tell your family to stop hogging you on the weekends and to share, please?
Commit and
Thanks.
push immediately, and then go vegan.
Thank you. Well, I appreciate it. Well, what a nice message. Thank you.
Don't be afraid of poor marketing and you'll be stronger. Good game will sell nonetheless. The money will come to you.
True.
Huge yep.
You need to nerf the
developers.
magicians. Yes, I will.
Thank you, but I'm only horny for Luigi for 500
Appreciate it.
bits. Cheer 500. It's always a good day when Cakez is streaming. I get sad on the weekends. Can you tell your family to stop hogging you on the weekends and to share? Please and thanks. Okay, love you. Many hand rubs to you, sir.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yeah, many. Appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much for the big support and the positive message. Very, very, very nice of you. I'm always looking for more positive messages in chat because there's so many negative ones. Negative Nandys and Nancys. Lantern. No one uses the lantern. We have it here, but I think the lantern doesn't work. And the holy shield? Oh, I just got called. No. Just call me right now. Back. I'm not muted. You know I can see the bar, you know. You can't lie to me. Alright, what was I doing? Oh, I hate being interrupted. It bothers me every time. I hate it. Did your mom agree to another loan? Ah, shut the fuck up. I'm not asking my mom for loans. Okay, I'm gonna add the Holy Shield to the healer. Which I have no items for the healer? Wait, then it's not true. Where's the healer? Huh? What? Oh, the healer doesn't have any items. Ooh, okay. Well, then Holy Shield is out of the question now. Fine. Now, why is it complaining, by the way, guys? Oh, because item quiver. Sprite item serrated arrow quiver. I'm gonna rename that too. Sprite item quiver. There you go. Okay, now we're done. The lantern. Let's take a look at the lantern for a second. Lantern. It has cooldown reduction and we can see ghosts. Okay, well, and it has a proper naming. Now, Emerald Ring has a proper cost. Ruby Necklace does not have a proper cost. Okay. I'm just gonna give it the... Give it this one right here. Stat, damage multiplier, bleed chance. We're gonna redesign the items over time, guys. And then Shellmet. Does it have a cost? It does. And armor, we'll see about this as well. Okay, good. Now I have made it so that there can no longer be any items that drop that you can't use. You can only drop items that you can actually use, and all of the other icons that I got rid of right now will change, will be reintroduced into the game later. I want the game to be as little confusing as possible. And then over here we need to change Tangy versus Hero. Control Shift F, Tangy. Oh god. That is... Oh, 31. That's not that much. Okay. String... Sound, Tangy Defense, Tangy Home. Sound, Text, Tangy Selection. What is this? Unlockable Heroes. Oh, man. It should be called Hero Selection then. Now, here's the question, guys. Do we use Tangy or Hero? I have way more hero in the game. 2000. Hero. So then it's just the defender. Okay, so we're gonna remove Tangy totally then. Sound Tangy hit. That is gonna be called hero hit. Defender Tangy name.
My Lord Chat. My Lady Cakez. Pepe Neil Homies.
Hero, but the title of the game will be kind of weird then if it's not explained. You're right. If every character is a hero, then nobody's a hero. I might go back on this, guys. I'm gonna do a git commit and push, which is invisible, of course. Git commit -m. Tangy TD version 0.5.15. Just made sure only usable items can be dropped. Get pushed. Cakez, you wanted to rename the game anyway? No, we're not renaming the game, guys. I might go back on this. The reason why this is important here, Tangy _ name. I mean, they no longer are called Tangy anyways, so might as well just say just hero. Here. Welcome to Copilot? What do you mean? I never introduced that. I never enabled this at all. Huh? I don't use this. Go away. I don't want you. Huh? Excuse me? Microsoft is like, hey, bro, you gotta use Copilot right now. Okay? No, I'm not. Specializes in melee to defeat that fellow heroes. I might remove heroes for Tangy though. But I would do this off stream, not on stream. It doesn't matter. Right now I'm using hero. Specializes in range combat, deals more damage the lower the health is. Nothing yet. Cakez, right click on the top bar and uncheck Copilot so that you don't accidentally click the logo. Okay, thank you. Is this it? Oh, in the game we still have those. Okay, that's a lot though. Okay. It's only 30 though. 28 now. The reason why I'm replacing this by hand, by the way, guys, for those of you who are wondering, is because I want to make sure that while I'm replacing it, I'm taking a look at the surroundings if they need change too. And then I'm applying the change there as well. Oh, Mr. Who Cares on YouTube, thank you very much for 4 months of support. For becoming a big supporter, aka subscribing. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much, man. You got chat. Tangy Hero TD, I know, guys. I might rename this back to Tangy's and then replace every single occurrence of hero with Tangy, but I would do this off stream because this is just a boring replace feature. You know, it's nothing too fancy. It's crazy how my voice is still so destroyed, man. Come on. So annoying. It's been a week now. Stop, man. I don't enjoy talking. Why change the name and code? Just be consistent. Tangy home, draw UI, Tangy selection. String Tangy selection. Oh my god, I hate that. Okay. I want to be consistent, Super Cool. That's all. For me, it's about consistency. You can say that I'm wasting my time. I would agree with you. But for me, it's like cleaning my kitchen. Okay? That's how I see it. A main menu change TD. Okay, that should stay. And also, I click on this and it's the exact... Whatever, bro. Okay, Tangy TD size. Tangy icon. Sprite icon Tangy. Yeah, I'm gonna rename it back to Tangy, guys. I already know. I already know. I think Tangy is a better name. But fine. Get Sprite, Tangy TD. Tangy TD icon. Okay, so far we only have 13 Tangys, and then if I search for hero, it's everywhere, yeah. It's 2000 results. I'm gonna change it to Tangy stats and stuff like that. It's fine. Hey, did Codingry make more interesting remarks today? That guy knows it. Excellent viewer. Second place, we are only behind Collector. Why is everyone glazing Collector, man? I need a new chat, man. This guy's just being toxic left and right all day, every day. And these guys keep glazing him. Oh, Collector is such a nice guy. He didn't even once play my demo, nor give me any feedback on it. Not a single time, bro. And that's a long time viewer. Holy man. At least a little bit of support, bro. Oh, I'd rather just talk trash about Cakez. That's some awesome stuff. You know, this guy's a long-time viewer supporter. It's like, nah, Cakez doesn't need any feedback for his demo version. Hopped on stream with perfect... Go away, man. I appreciate you joining, though. I appreciate... How's your game coming along, bro, in your engine? All right, guys. We'll rename it. We'll replace it, though. Selection of GPU. This is important. We need to select the correct GPU on systems that have integrated GPUs and not use the worse one to make the game run worse, right? So we're gonna use the more powerful GPU, and then in the future you guys can swap GPUs if you want to, but for now I'm just gonna use the more powerful one. Just like in Vulkan, there will be a selection criteria. Cakez, I sent you a regex in this. Oh, for the stupid thing. Thank you, man. I appreciate that, bro. Wait. Not gonna leak. Yeah, by the way, guys. Oh, I appreciate that a lot. I appreciate that a lot. You are putting the... Scroll down, yeah. No. Guys, we can, by the way, we can no longer use Final Fantasy music on stream because it gets demonetized on YouTube. We tested it out the last 2 streams. No, the last... It's like a delay of a couple of days, but all my streams up until yesterday, including yesterday, will not generate me any money. And you know, you all know that I'm just streaming to earn money, so we can no longer listen to Final Fantasy. I'm sorry. I'd rather earn $1 to $2 to $3 more every stream from YouTube ads than give you guys better music. Bro, just mute music? No. Maybe I'll try some streams without music to see how it goes. Rico first and Collector. Oh, Rico is even worse, bro. Like, why do you guys like the shit talker so much? I just don't understand. Okay, guys. Last thing. Thank you very much. I'll take a look at that on the weekend. Last thing. We need to select the correct GPU using DirectX 11. Because there could be potentially double GPU on a system, and by default we might select the wrong GPU. Yeah, I was in Jackie's stream to see how the game looks today, yes. I wanted to see. You guys told me that it's much better than my game, and the game looks amazing, I have to say. It's a really good game. Especially, you know, the artist for the game they use, you know, for this 1D tower defense game. This guy is crazy good, bro. Like, the art he's doing, man. I wonder how much he would take for one art piece. How much that would cost me. Like, let's say I ask him to make an animated character that explodes on impact. Like a blob. You know, like one of those slimes. They explode on impact and then they put glue on your heroes. And the heroes are then slowed down. They can move slower. Like they are chilled or something. Are you jealous? I'm not jealous. Like, why would I be jealous? You just got unlucky, bro. Sorry, bro. You got unlucky. Oh. This guy too. I didn't even see... Okay, you guys just won't stop, will you? Okay, now what was I doing over here? Low FPS in game. So it's the DSG adapter script. Oh, you could have put the source code here. I guess I'll have to copy that then, like, type it off. Okay, where do I do this then? Dedicated video memory. Let's see DX in it. Maybe after the device or before the device. It's difficult to say. DX create device maybe here. Adapter description. Dedicated video memory, enum adapters. Factory. Aha. So here, we enumerate the adapters. This is selecting best GPU for the job. There you go. And in order to do that, we do the DXGI underscore adapter. Oh, description 3. Windows. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Windows. We have the DXGI adapter description 3. Then we have another DXGI adapter description 1. You also have the DSGI adapter description without any number. And then we have probably number 2. No number 2. Never mind, we do have number 2. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I missed that. Number 2. DXGI adapter description number 2. Now, which one are we supposed to use? We have no idea, but we're going to use the description because maybe that's the best thing, right? Cool. Adapter description. DirectX sucks. Like the one thing that sucks about DirectX, and you are correct, is the naming of these fields, the structures. Everything else about DirectX, I have to say, is amazing. Their error reporting is stellar. Like there's no better error reporting other than maybe the Vulkan validation layers that I've seen before. It's amazing how good this is. And then the setup. Damn, that's easy as hell, especially on Windows. And then being able to mix and max your frame buffers and, you know, set them up and program your own pipeline. That's also really cool. It's so fast. You can get to a result so quickly. It took us a week to set up a DirectX rendering backend. And now the game runs on it and not a single person is reporting a crash. I haven't gotten a single crash report in almost 2 weeks. It's amazing. While on OpenGL, I would be getting crash reports left and right. I couldn't even read so fast as to how many crash reports are coming in. And now, nothing. It's amazing. There is enum adapter by GPU preference in the DXGI factory, which you can set up to use the high performance one set auto-magically in Windows. Oh, I can do more? If considered fitting, but he says aha so often. Praise. Okay, bro. Like you're trying. Is this supposed to be a two-head or something? Cake's face when someone's calling them a hero. That's a good one, bro. Hey, man, it's true. It's true. It's the hero monkey from Bloons. Okay, bro. All right, let's move on here. I'll try this. But we could also do the magically thing. I don't know. I wonder what if I have to fill in the description, though. Probably not, right? Vendor ID. Wait, I'm stupid. I don't need to fill anything. The way this works is like this. We enum adapters. So basically we do dx context enum factory enum adapters. Enum adapters 1, of course. Okay. Adapter. Interesting. Oh, is that... Wait, what? How does that work? Pointer adapter? DXGI adapter? Maybe select the one with the highest dedicated memory. Maybe I'm gonna try out your idea, bro. The magically thing. DXGI debug interface 1 error. Peter, yeah, this is because you don't have debug symbols installed in your system, Peter. And I'm trying to get the debug symbols here. And if I can't, then I'm just putting out an error, but I'm continuing anyways. This right here is for proper error reporting in DirectX, and some people have this installed on the system because they have written a C++ program before on their system, and they had to download the Windows SDK for that. Some other people don't have this because they don't have the Windows SDK, and therefore it causes an error because we can't query something that is not there. But I'm still gonna toss out an error just to inform myself, so that I know when I'm reading your logs and you have an error in the game that I can pinpoint exactly, okay, so he didn't have the debug interface, but I have the return code of the function that broke the game. Or broke the render or whatever, right? So it's fine. Like people point this out a lot, but the average user is not gonna... They're not gonna interface with this at all. So what you're saying is I should be using enum adapters by GPU in the factory. You sure? I don't think it is. Let me Google this. DirectX name also kind of sucks. I mean, that's a subjective thing, bro. Like, if you think that, I guess. Fine. Let's go here. Huh, it does. But only on the factory 6. Only on the factory 6? What about the first 5? Can I not use that? What? Do I need to make a 6 factory right now, guys? That requires factory 6 cakes. Oh, does it now? Maybe longer term viewers have another perspective, but Collector and Rico always sound very peaceful and supportive. No, they're not. No, they're not. No, they're not. Now this Andre guy on YouTube is actually trying to rage bait me. They are? Okay. You guys are wrong. Number one, this guy has an image of my ass as his background of Twitch. Okay? Middle of screen. Dumbo, the other window. Just use the C array. What the fuck is the point of the C of that array? It was fine. How come no one is playing the game right now? Ah, okay. Blabbering. Look what I did off stream. Blabbering. You think wrong, stupid. Smug about what he did off stream. Bro, stop lying. Stop streaming. Close stream, bro. This could be a one-liner. What a shit function. He's only adding this because PoE has it. No one cares about this. He's just being stubborn. Nothing fun about that. Really boring. Editing resistances like that just forces you to play specific builds. This is not PoE. Maybe I need more resistance. No one thought ever. Brain damaged Marv. Resistance doesn't matter. Not like this failfish. Bro, why you care so much about resistance? It's like a barrage of... What do you mean supportive, bro? Most committed fan, bro. At least he's consistent. Just mod Rico, he's the best. He's always there for us, bro. Both tell you the truth. Stop yapping. Gamble Mamble, I'm pretty sure you're Rico because you are banned on Twitch, and now I see you appear on YouTube because you have no place to speak. I'm pretty sure some of you guys are Collector or Rico. Thanks, guys. Okay. Yeah, sure. I'm not gonna pull up his logs. These are even worse. They're full of rage bait. Okay, guys. Shit. How do I use this interface, though? Enum adapters. It's an adapter and then an int adapter. Maybe the adapter... I'm pretty sure it's a GPU, which is null. And then the int adapter, I don't know, like, is it supposed to be an int? How do I know how many I can enumerate? Like, don't I need to get the adapter count first? Enumerate adapter. Wait, it's not a pointer though. The way this works in the Joy of Windows API. Hey, low level TV, my man. Hope you're doing good, bro. Thanks for joining. Yeah, I mean, in Vulkan, you query the adapters, then you put a pointer to the count. I mean, that's bad here. Like, I probably would have to like do this, right? You would do this, and then you put a null pointer. And then it would give you the count, but I don't see that. Here. That's Vulkan. And then you use the count, you loop over this, and you put the index here. But that doesn't work. So then what do we need to use here? Adapt. Enum adapter by enum wrap adapter. Oh my god, you stupid. Create software adapter. Enum adapters. Guys, what does it mean? Can I just... I'm just gonna test it out. If it breaks, we get a null pointer exception or something. It is how it is. Well, I'm gonna do a for loop. I is 0. I is less than 100. I plus plus. It is how it is. Hopefully... Oh, please don't destroy my computer, okay? I. And then we put the GPU in here. I wonder what this does. First call the query to the count, then allocate the array, send a call to the fill the array. First call to the query. First call, wait. First call to query the count. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking, bro. You're getting close to 1 million subs on YouTube. Congratulations, bro. Very good stuff, bro. Yeah, this guy is smart. He's crazy smart, guys. If you wanna know some smart stuff about security, super smart. Yep. Low level TV about to learn clown programming. Okay, that's really toxic. I'm gonna send you onto a break for like a couple of minutes. I'm not clown programming, bro. Okay. Okay, so we need to get the count. Wait, does it return an int? H result. Bro, I cannot query the count because it's not returning an int. It returns an H result. I guess it's a long. You're telling me that... Wait, so... Wait, I guess I should Google that, huh? Out index of the adapter to return value if it returns successful, otherwise it returns error not found. If the index is greater than or equal to the number of adapters in the local system, or if the adapter is null. What are you making with the Win API? Oh, I'm writing, or we have written the DirectX renderer right now in the it works. Right now in the DirectX renderer, we are trying to select the GPU going forward before we initialize DirectX, because a person on Discord encountered low GPU stats because he has 2 GPUs and it's using... I don't know which one it's using actually. Huh? But this is a CPU. What are you talking about? Oh, I see. So it's using the Wait, huh? I run on a laptop with 2 GPUs. That's a CPU and a GPU, though. What are you talking? That's a CPU, my friend. Am I stupid? Integrated GPU. He doesn't even read. 1 Intel integrated GPU. And oh, I'm so dumb. Okay, I'm so sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. So yeah, okay. So it's selecting the okay. Anyways, let's just test what this does. I have no idea. I've never done this before. It's not gonna work 100%, but I don't know how to query the count. Use the factory enum adapters by preference. I don't have this. I need to use factory 9. We are using factory 2. We need factory 6. What if guys, can I just call 6 here? No? How many can I... Wait. Can I just do this? What is wrong with DirectX, guys? Like, the naming is crazy. So I think enum adapters with an incremented index until you get error not found cakes. I see, so it's a while loop. So it's like an int adapter index. Bro, I literally never went here before. This is Visual Studio Code, guys. I'm doing the go back button, like in a window right here, where we click the back button, it brings me back to the window. But instead of bringing you back to the window, it puts you to YouTube or a porn website. That's what it's doing here, because I never once put my cursor in this location and I pressed the back button. I didn't even look at swap chains at all today. Okay, well, let's change the factory back to 5. I'll try out 5 first, guys, okay? Okay, so enum adapters if, no, while. I see, so can we just query this all the time? So just the while loop? And then what does it return? Not found, right? Oops. It returns an DXGI error not found. Though, what if we get a different error, though? If we use 5, we might as well go 6. Can we, though? Can I just turn it to 6 and it still works? Is that fine? Use this. Adapter get description. Let's see here. Give me a sec. That's crazy. Holy, what is this for loop? Can I just use 6, guys? I hope I don't break the system with this. For in-factory enum adapters unequal to error not found. Secret Google Spy, you're correct, but what if I get a different error? Listen, I'm gonna do... Wait, guys. While I have run into too many issues to not check this properly. Okay? If we get a different error... But wait a minute. It gives... It returns SOA-OK. If successful, otherwise it returns not found. If the index is greater than or equal to the number of adapters in the local system. Or invalid call if the parameter is 0. Okay, I get it now. So we can do this. Then while we have this, is unequal? Ah, shit. That's fine. Error not found. And we do adapter plus plus. What else do we do? YouTube stream is fine, Cakez. YouTube died, or maybe the YouTube chat didn't update. Sorry. Why is there so many negative comments on Twitch? I have no idea. DirectX 1.6 is included in Windows 10 and later in Windows 11. Older Windows versions do not support it, Cakez. We're gonna use 5. 5 has been working well so far. We're gonna do it like this. I appreciate everyone helping. And then we can do GPU. Get description. Is this a void? Age result. Failed to get description on GPU, but it could also be that the GPU is not null here. If this succeeded, and we're gonna do maybe some percentage S action, and then do GPU. We don't have the description here at all, so we need the description on GPU. I don't even know which GPU. Let's call it index. %D, and then we do adapter index. That could help. And then we just return false. It's fine. That's how I do it, I think, in DK check. We do an assertion, we return false, yeah. Now, though, we should probably store the result. H result. HR is... And guys, why am I doing it like this? So fine-grained. Because I want to make sure that we do not run into the issue of having an error happen and we don't know what caused the error. So this will report me the error, the index, and maybe we can do something about it. And this is not %D, but it's a %X or capital X, right? For maybe we do lowercase x out this time here. I just want to see how that works. Probably will never happen though. So we'll do capital X. It's fine. Null pointer incoming. You should make a YouTube video about this, Cakez. No, because this is very specific and no one cares about this stuff. It will get like 1 view. Like no one cares about this, really. It's interesting to see, like on stream a little bit, but as a dedicated YouTube video, it's only interesting if you're doing something with DirectX. So for example, let's say I make a game in DirectX, and as part of making the game in DirectX, we quickly set up a DirectX backend. You're wrong like always? No, you're wrong. You go make a video talking about selecting GPUs in DirectX. Go make it. Come on. And then come back to me. People are just not interested in this. They think they're interested, but they're not. They get bored and then they do something else. They watch an Asmongold video about how Black Shadows is gonna fail. I would make it. You make it, bro. Listen, bro. You make it. I've made tons of tutorials on YouTube. Okay, let's see. If it succeeded, then we want to take the description and we want to take a look at the dedicated video memory, right? Which is what value? A D word, size T. And then we store int selected adapter index is 0. The adapter index is 0. And then if... Oh man, that's annoying. I guess we use a size T here. That the biggest memory 0? What am I doing here? If we have the biggest memory, then we set biggest memory to the adapter description. Just not biggest dedicated video memory. And we set the selected adapter index to, and this is when we remove the plus plus here, because that's dangerous, to the adapter index. And when we are done with this in the while loop, we increase the adapter index down here. There you go. Are we done? And now that we have the selected adapter and the biggest memory, what else do we need to do here? Create device. Pointer to an adapter. Aha. I get it. So we need an adapter. Here's null pointer. So we need to query this adapter to the GPU. Actually. DX beginner stuff. I've never done selecting a GPU, but yeah, it is. Though we have the renderer already, we just need to select the GPU here. I need to store this on the context, right? So we need to have a, after the factory, we need a DX. Is it an interface? Adapter? Pointer? Adapter is null. And then we are using, wait, maybe that should be, we're trying to use the 0 adapter, right? Biggest memory, and then what do we get here? GPU. Selected GPU. Let's use the proper null from Windows. Doesn't really matter. Then over here we do select a GPU. Here's GPU. And I hope now store GPU in DX in context. So DX context. Let's not call it adapter, but GPU. I like calling it GPU. I don't know why. Select the GPU. Now, if I did everything correctly, right? I should just be able to dx context.gpu here. And we should be golden. Null pointer incoming. Yeah, it's gonna be incoming, 100%. Didn't you select a GPU in Vulkan? A physical device? Yes, I did. It's called a physical device here. In DirectX, it's called an adapter. I like calling a GPU. What can I say? We have a selected GPU. Maybe I should print out the different GPUs by name and their memory at least. Should I do that, guys? Would that be awesome to do? Yeah. So we have, let's say we have succeeded, right? Let's print out some GPU stuff. Like SM trace. A GPU, %S. Do we have a name? Adapter, description. Yeah. Well, how about that? Yeah. And then, what else? GPU memory. %D. Shouldn't this be like a bigger D? I mean, shouldn't this be like a bigger number? Like, what is after %D? Oh, shit. My wife's coming. No! I'm having too much fun, man. We didn't even go to the infinite rounds. Yeah. Okay. Ja. Bis gleich. Should this be a... Like, what is the... Guys, I need your help right now. Please. What is the next thing that comes after the D? Like, for the longest... I need it to be... There's no way it's called a long D. Absolutely not. There's no way this is real.
Demo out.
I've never seen that before.
Review.
What?
Check. Doesn't
It's
work
a long
on
D
AMD.
that we need here.
Check.
Yeah, because the
Unbalanced
adapter
game.
could have such a big
Check.
size.
UI bugs. Check. Yapping all day. Check.
Okay, bro. Cakes, if you're using DirectX 1, it will work with DirectX 11 and older version. DXGI 6 is for DirectX 12. Aha! I see. Thank you very much, Secret Google Spy. I appreciate that a lot. Hey, someone create a clip out of this, please. I want to make a short out of this, okay? Someone clip this, please. I'm gonna write it down. That's a fun short. Actually, that's a really fun thing. Like I never thought this was... Like, I'm not joking. I have never seen this before. And I've been coding in C++ for 4 years. Well... Where did I put that though? The other short. There was another short that was really funny. There was another short. Which is gone now, I guess. Is it gone? Yep. It's gone. Oh, short idea. Twitch clip. Oh, another short idea, okay. Well, there we go. I have the other one that was also funny. Like, I didn't do it yet, but yeah. Short idea 2. How is it? LD. Sprint F. Someone make a clip, please. Someone make a clip? Of course not. Okay, I'm gonna write the date. And what is the time right now? 2:29. There you go. Okay. Now there are markers that you can set in streams too. But it's fine. Okay, let's test if this works. We have the system memory, the dedicated in the name. We could also do something else, but let's see. Huh? Did I... What? No one made the clip because it wasn't that funny. I thought it was funny. Have you ever messed with SFML cakes? I have not, no. I have an endless loop. This while loop never stops, I think. Huh? GPU memory minus N. GPU memory 0. I said. What's going on here? Did I not build this properly? Maybe I didn't. Northern Flicker, thank you very much for following. I must have done something wrong. Okay, so it's enumerating the adapters. We get an adapter, we get the description, it succeeds, and then it says NVIDIA GeForce. Why does it say... Oh, it's a long string. Oh, I hate Windows. I don't think I can do it unless there's %L. Long string. Ja? Ja, okay, aber ich brauche noch ein bisschen. Ich bin noch nicht fertig. Wartet ihr jetzt da unten oder wie? Okay, ich bin gleich da. Aha. Bro, like, I hate how they change plans. They told me. And why does it have negative memory? It has proper memory. This is a size T. So long dick doesn't exist? Is that what you guys are saying? Yeah, guys, I won't be able to do it. I won't be able to finish it. Cakes LS and so long dick not found. For size T, it's ZU. Wait, what? For size T, it's ZU? And then the other one is LS, long string. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, man. I'm gonna wait for ads. Actually, I'm gonna do ads now. Can I click on it? I can't wait for ads. There you go. Let me test this. Oh, we have GPU. Basic renderer, memory 0. Microsoft basic renderer, okay. We have a basic renderer with 0 GPU. And the game. Creating a device from an existing adapter. The driver type must be unknown. Aha. Thank you very much. Okay, so we need to set the driver type to unknown. Which is very far down here. I like the error messages. You see how easy this is in DirectX, guys? Damn, I never used DirectX before, but those error messages are something else. Yeah, right, Quizzy? That's what I'm talking about. OpenGL, you know what they would give you? Failed. Failed to create driver. Failed to create device. Doesn't work. I don't know what I'm doing, bruh. That's what it would give you. Okay, it works. Cool. So I managed to do all of the stuff on the list. And you guys can blame my wife for me not being able to do what the title says of the video, because I literally have 1.5 hours for the rest of the title, which would have worked perfectly, but she had to go ruin it. So I thought. So yeah. Give me a sec. So at least everything else works. I'm gonna push this later today. I just need to quickly, you know, put on clothes for normal humans. Is that annoying? Oopsie. Oh, this is gonna be a long one, man. Okay. I'm gonna raid Jackie codes, guys. I'm sorry for the short stream today. At least we got the checklist done today. And tomorrow, actually, sorry, not tomorrow, but next week, we are going to take a look at if there are, how we could implement infinite rounds and a leaderboard. I would like to store a leaderboard on some sort of online service somewhere. I've already done some digging on this. There are services that are free that you can use, where you can just query data and put data on there. And I would like to give you guys a leaderboard so you can compare your sizes, you know, how far some people get. That would be amazing in my opinion. And so yeah, I'm gonna send you over to Jackie. She's gonna finish her game today that she's made in, I think, a week. And then they're gonna put up a playable version on itch, which we will also play next week. So if you wanna see me play the game, come next week. Okay? See you later. Have a wonderful weekend, and thank you guys for the crazy support. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And I will see you next week on Monday. Bye. On YouTube as well. Thank you guys for joining.